Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. Now that we got this view here in one piece, no more holes in the doors, time to clean a little bit of this auction yard dirt and grime off of this baby. Can't do the outside yet as it is well below freezing, but we are going to be tackling the inside here. So we'll do a walk around before and after to show you how we get this thing shining.
Okay guys, looking at some of the replacement parts, they're a little scratched up, a little dingy. You can kind of see here some scratches in here, a little bit up here. We're gonna try to buff some of this out. Now I did do a test spot over here on the front, and I'll throw up a before and after picture, but the deep scratches obviously is not much we can do about it, but man does it look 1,000 times better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a little bit of a time lapse, and then we'll get on this door. Okay, let's change the pad over and hit it with some polish. Okay, did 2 rounds of cut and 1 round of polish, and you can see it looks 1,000 times better. Still see some of the scratches in here. I think we'll probably have to do some sanding in that maybe, but overall, wow, what a difference. It is definitely not concours, but you can see your reflection in it quite vividly.
Wow, I can't believe how well this cleaned up. Looks showroom fresh on the inside, and I'm sure you can tell from the after the cleaning walk around. We even did a couple of test panels here, doing some cutting and polishing, get those scratches off, and man, you can see your reflection in it. Looks like a mirror. Hey, if you like what you saw, we got plenty more content like this coming. Hit us with a like, a subscribe, and I'll see you next time.